Thanks for clicking this video. I'm Nikki and I thought that I would record this video to show my new skincare regimen because I broke up horribly after the hurricane. So I'm now trying this new products and a new routine, and I'm going to continuously do it for 30 days. Some things I might only do once a week, but after the hurricane my skin, well actually my whole body broke out, and I don't know if it was because we didn't have water, because the gutters were on, I don't know, but now it's starting to get a little better. This whole side of my face was terrible, and yeah, I'm going to stick to this routine and show what it is. And don't come for my eyebrows. I don't wake up with eyebrows. Black soap, and I hope that was in focus. And I'm going to first start washing my face with warm water, and this will get off. I should show you my face. This would get off. I have little white heads, and I think that does the trick for that. So yeah. Gently around this area, because if you do this too much in certain areas, look for me like under my chin, I would actually bruise. So gently, and again I'm doing it with warm water. Like after that step, and because I use hot water to open up my pores, I'm going to mix this Indian bentonite clay and this activated charcoal. And yeah, this is it, and it's only my face, so yeah, like wait until it dry and then wash it off.
20 minutes later.
Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes, I think, and this thing has already started to snatch my whole face together, and it's this is like a staple. I'm now going to use this Noxzema, again a staple for me. So the last thing that I'm going to do is use this natural non-abrasive exfoliant, which is a mineral peel for the body, but I use it on my face, and I discovered this project through Jackie Aina, and yeah, her skin is amazing, and I just started using this for probably, I used it 5 times, and I haven't really seen much of a difference as yet, but hopefully I do, because I spent my money on it and it better work. So yeah, you just spray it, and maybe I put too much, and then you let it set for 3 seconds, so says the bottle, and then you just rub, and this is supposed to gently take off the dead skin, and I'm doing it last to make sure whatever I didn't get from the scrub I get with this. And usually if I do this by itself, it will be like a lot more than if you could see. I'm gonna wash this off with warm water and then go on my face with cold water. Next, I'm going to use astringent, a toner, and you must always tone. I think this is also one of the steps you should never skip, especially if you wear makeup. To use a toner, I usually use witch hazel, but after the hurricane, one of the main stores here, the pharmacy that I usually get it from, was looted horribly, so they don't have it anymore, and I can't find it anywhere else. And that's the witch hazel. So yeah, so I use, ooh, this burns. This is burning. Oh. I'm going to moisturize now. I would normally use this, which is the Clean and Clear Dual Action Moisturizer, oil free. But I found this for my body, and it's the Cetaphil Eczema Calming Body Moisturizer, Soothing Relief. And I find that this really works good on my face. Again, even though it says body, but your face is a part of your body, right? So yeah. I have started back using, who's all wet, the Nadinola Skin Discoloration Fade Cream for my spots. I don't use this every day. Only when I remember. And I'm gonna put that. Probably should have did this before I put on the moisturizer. Here, put this on before I put on the moisturizer. I'm just gonna hit my spots. Yeah. And that is it. This is the liquid biotin that I will also be taking. It's by SBR Nutrition. I got this off of Amazon for $18, and I saw a YouTuber using this, so YouTube made me buy this. And then I might be taking this fish oil, but I don't know. I hate swallowing pills, and this is easy. Look, done. Yeah, so that is it. Thanks for watching till the end. Again, follow me on Instagram at livelovenikki or Snapchat at livelovenikki to get more updates on how my new skincare routine is going. I'll keep you posted on those instead of coming back with a video, and then probably like midway I'm going to do a 15 days update, and then if I don't do that for sure, I'll come back with 30 days after this 30-day period has gone to show you how and if my skin improves. So yeah, thanks for watching.